Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to open free Google Workspace account. First, open your web browser and head over to workspace.google.com. On the home page, click the Get Started button at the top right. You'll then be asked to provide some basic business information, including your business name, the number of employees, and your country. Enter these details and click Next. After that, type in your name and your existing email address so Google can reach you if needed, then click Next again. Next, you'll see the domain setup options. You can either use a domain you already own or choose a free temporary domain from Google to try out Workspace. Pick the option that works best for you and click Next. Once you create your login details, you'll be taken into the Google Workspace free trial. You'll have access to tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Calendar, and other collaboration features. Keep in mind that this free access lasts for 14 days only. After the trial ends, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to continue using Google Workspace. And that's how you can set up a free Google Workspace account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.